Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a weekly update for Sphere Finance. Got a lot of information for you guys to update you with about what's been happening in the last week or so. Again, this project has been making mega moves in the DeFi space. It's crazy to see how much innovation that they're putting into their project, how much effort they're putting into the community, the project, create revenue streams. It's really cool to see. I've never seen this from a project in the crypto space, how do you call it? I guess so aggressively, but I think that's awesome. You know, they've launched a month ago. They've already hit $1 million market cap. They hit an all-time high of 5 cents. They have just proceeded to excel past everyone's expectations. But yeah, we're going to get into it anyway. We've been rambling on, so I'm going to hit you guys with the updates of what's been going on in the last week or so. Firstly, I'm just going to quickly run over my portfolio. So remember, this here is completely risk-free for me. So I had invested my money, and then I removed my capital once I hit $1,000. So my capital was 230 once I hit 1,000, because I invested at half a cent. And then it boosted all the way up to 4 cents. So I removed my capital. So now this is a full risk-free project for me. So 10,000 of my Sphere tokens are in the game's legacy. That's where that is. So all up, I have 35,000 Sphere tokens, completely risk-free. So I'm totally happy with that. I do not intend on putting any more money into this project. I'm just gonna let it ride out until I'm comfortable to take my profits. That's just information for you guys to let you guys know where my account's at the moment. All right guys, so firstly, Sphere Finance has legally trademarked their logo and their slogan, okay? So their logo being this little character up here, and their slogan being probably nothing. They've pasted that all over their Discord. That's their slogan. That's what they like to use. It's all over their Twitter. So they have now officially trademarked both of those. That just means that they're fully committed to this project and they want to see it last. So that's pretty cool. Next big thing is that Coinbase has made an announcement about Sphere Finance. So they haven't listed Sphere Finance. All they've done is they've sort of acknowledged them in their community, and they've made a little article about how you can buy Sphere Finance tokens. So I will drop the link for that in the description down below. I think in the future that may be a possibility that Sphere Finance ends up on Coinbase. And if it does, that's going to bring a lot more people into the space. Again, talking about buying Sphere tokens, everything has been changed now to Rubik. What that means is that you can now buy Sphere tokens cross-chain. So I've already made a video on this. I will leave that in the description. I'll also drop a card in the top right hand corner here, so you can click on that and check that video out if you want to. And I will also leave a link at the end of the video as well that you can click on and watch the video there. Again, that's just opened up a whole nother avenue for people to come in and buy Sphere from different networks. And you can also now buy Sphere with your credit card, so you can buy it with fiat. If you're new getting into the crypto space and you just want to do it like that, you buy Matic on the Polygon network from Rubik. There is a way to do it. I will make a video on that so I can help people navigate their way into buying Sphere with their credit card. But again, that's just opening up more avenues, bringing in more people, and they're just creating stepping stones to bring people in, and it's just amazing. On another note, in talking about fiat currency, you can actually now change your earnings from whatever currency you want. So you click on your little profile picture up here. You can see your wallet. You can see how many holdings you have in Sphere. You can add Sphere to your wallet, and you can also change the currency. So you can go from the US dollar to euro, and you would see it change right there. You can go to pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, whatever tickles your fancy. But these are the ones listed: Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen, and the Indian rupee, and that's it. So just these here. They have updated the website, as I've just explained before, for a smoother Sphere buying experience. So just to quickly let you guys know how that works, you would go down here and let's say you're on the Binance Smart Chain. Everything would change for you here, and you would click Buy Sphere from your chain. So that's your cross-chain button right there. So the audit from Solidity Finance is now finished. They've resolved all the issues, which they were low issues. And then this week, they've also hit an all-time high of $111 million in the market cap. And lastly, I'm just going to touch on the fact that they have a charity system inside the Sphere games, okay? So what happens is they donate partial amount from the winnings of the Sphere games to a charity. And not only that, just recently in their Discord, they threw up a notice saying that one of our Spherians has had a tragic incident in his life, and they've gone on to explain what that was, and that they will be donating some of their money to the Spherian to help him along his way, and that if anyone inside the project wants to do the same, then they can do that. They've dropped a wallet down there and people have started to pour in some funds for this guy, and that just means that the community is really strong, and that's definitely a community that you want to have in a project like this for your project to sustain its longevity, because I believe that this project has a lot going for it, especially with the devs doing what they're doing in the background, making all these moves, all these plays. It's unreal. It's great to see, and I hope other projects follow suit and bring out their own innovations for their own projects. So with all that said, guys, that's everything I have for you today on Sphere Finance. Just a quick weekly update. If you guys did like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, and hit the bell notification so you do know when I drop videos. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me down in the comments. I answer everybody. I'll get back to you as fast as I can. And remember to do your own research, guys. This is not financial advice. I'm only here giving you guys information and briefing you on the updates of Sphere Finance. So with that said, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you.